Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically stream the Dress to Impress like Halloween update song, like the one in the quest. So there's this one on Spotify and there's one on Apple Music. I only have Spotify, so go to Dress to Impress's Discord or just type in Dress to Impress. It's gonna show up. I'm just gonna open it, and as you can see, the songs that they used in the game, like in the quest, it will be there. So if you want to, you're just going to play the song here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!